In this video, I'm going to show you how to play guitar on Cakewalk. Now to do this, of course, you can connect your own guitar and then play it and of course get MIDI, or you can just use Cakewalk itself to actually play it using a virtual instrument, which I'm going to show you right now. So first you want to go to the top left of your tracks, click on this Add Track button, and you want to go and switch the instrument up top, and then where it says instrument, you want to click on that, and you want to go to, of course, over here where you can see there's going to be a bunch of different ones. You want to find the guitar. So guitar usually is going to be like over here. You simply want to hover over it, and then from here you can see there's a bunch of different guitars you can use. So in my case, I'm going to go with the acoustic one, but you have the 12 string, you have the banjo, the clean one, you have metal, etc. I'm going to go with the acoustic one, a classic, and then I'm going to click on Open Virtual Controller, and I'm going to click on Create. Now when you do this, it's going to create a new MIDI track, or of course instrument track, and you can see it has acoustic guitar, and you can then use any of these two over here to actually play the guitar. So if I play this for you right now, you'll hear that. This is actually the guitar, okay? So it sounds like a guitar over here on this MIDI keyboard. And of course you can also record this super simple. You just want to go and of course select this button to enable recording. You then want to go and click where you want to start. I'm gonna go over here, hit this record button, and you can just go and start playing this. And of course when you stop playing it, you can just go and close this, and you'll see that there we go, we have some recorded MIDI, and it's actually our guitar. So if I play it for you, there we go, you can see I've just played guitar inside a Cakewalk, okay? So super simple. If you want to pull this back, click on this button over here and you have your guitar ready over here again, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.